A common question we get as roofers is, can I go over my existing shingle roof with a new layer of shingles? The reason we get asked that is pretty obvious. It's usually because, everyone wants to save money. A roof is a big investment, and we're looking for ways to save some money. The obvious thing here is that if you go over the old roof instead of tearing it off, that removal and tear off costs would be mitigated. We usually say, don't do it. We don't recommend it, and there are a couple reasons for that. The biggest one is a matter of quality, in that if you have multiple layers of shingles on the roof already, there's a chance of reducing the quality of the shingle job. You have fasteners, nails that you use to fasten the new shingles, and they could punch through the new shingles and end up not holding very well. So in the end, you might have shingles blowing off or sliding off. The second reason is one that's kind of a warranty issue. Manufacturers sometimes differ as to how much they'll cover. And so we would hate to see our clients in 5, 10, 15 years having to figure out whose responsibility really is this if a warranty issue does arise. So basically it really comes down to wanting to provide our customers with the best long-term solution. There are various short-term things that people try like that, but in the end we want to make sure that you as a customer have something that's going to last and that you're going to be happy with not only tomorrow and in 3 years, but 10 and 20 years down the road. So our advice is do it right, do it once, and do it well.